Hello everyone, and welcome to the game Color Switch that we have made, where we means Harshal Dev and Hitesh, and we both are students, second year students of Triple IT Delhi, and we are here to present our game Color Switch. In this video, we will teach you how to play this game, and will also describe you and tell you about the various features that we have in the game. So to play the game, this is the launch screen of the game, and to play the game, you would have to click on the play button, and it would then just let you play the game. So before I play the game myself and demonstrate it to you, I would first like to describe and tell you what the game is all about. So basically, if we click on this help section that is here, so this is a description of the application that we have written, and basically in this game what you have to do is that you have to collect all the stars, you have to pass the obstacles and collect the stars and gain as many points as you can. To pause the game, you would have to click the pause button that would be somewhere around here in the game that you would see, and I will show it afterwards. And by clicking on this, you will go back to the main menu, and by clicking on this YouTube video tutorial that is in the game when you will be playing the game, it will lead you straight to this video that you are currently watching. So now we have the setting sections wherein there is one hard mode that we have introduced into the game, which if checked, it would make the game hard after you after some time in the game. It would even the game would automatically and eventually increase the difficulty level for the game. So for demonstration purposes, I am unchecking the game hard mode. And then we have the show obstacles button, which actually shows about the various obstacles that we have made in the game. Coming back to the main menu, by clicking on the exit button, you would obviously exit the game. Clicking on the Facebook button, it would lead you to the Facebook home section where you can post about the game. For playing the game, you would have to click on the play button that is here. You use the up arrow key to move up. You have to pass the ball from the same colored obstacle, or basically you have to avoid getting touched by the different color bars. For example, if the color of the ball is blue here, then if you crash into any color except blue, then the game would stop. Okay, but if you pass from the blue, then it would not stop the game, and it would eventually lead you to another. It would basically help you pass that obstacle, and you have to collect the stars to increase your points, and then you have to eventually pass more and more obstacles as you move forward in the game. And even don't worry, you won't fall down. Basically, we have put a fall bound here at the bottom, so you don't have to worry about that. And basically, the thing that you see right above the rotating circle is the color switcher, which actually does is switch the color from the. Okay, so yeah, I messed up. Click on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna pass. So basically, this small ball is the color switcher of our ball color switcher. Now we have to collect more and more stars as we proceed, and yeah, and we have to keep moving forward in the game. uh, and we have to stop. We have to basically prevent ourselves from crashing into any of the obstacles. So this project that we have made is a part of our NSIM project of CSE of a CSE course that is named as Advanced Programming, which is all about basically object-oriented programming uh, and stuff like that. So yeah. Um And yeah, so if at any moment you want to pause the game, you can pause the game by clicking here, and say for example you want to pause the game, so you can click on the pause button. And if you want to resume the game, then you can click on the resume button. And by clicking the resume button, basically the game would start right from the place where you stopped it. So I'm going to demonstrate it to you. I'm going to pause the game in between when the ball is in between the star and the color switcher. So basically now I've paused the game. Now, as you can see, the ball was somewhere around here. So the game will actually start from here only. So as you can see, the ball actually started from here at this point. Now I have to collect more and more points. And as a part of the game, what we have added is that if you collect more than 10 points, then we are given the feature ability to start the game, basically continue the game. So I'm gonna show that. Yeah. So sorry. If you collect more than 5 points, you have the option of continuing using your stars. So basically, if you have more than 5 points, you can continue the game, but you have to also remember that your current score will decrease by 5. So yeah. So and if you have less than 5 points, then you have only the home option that you can only restart the game. So yeah, that is it. And if I have to show you the feature, that is the Facebook button. So if I click on the Facebook button, yeah. So hey, I'm playing this game made by two students of Triple IT Delhi. So yeah, I mean you can do that. So yeah, this is the demonstration for the color switch game and basically how to play the game. So yep, thank you for watching the video and hope you are able to play this game and share it among your friends. We would be making the GitHub link public so that people can use it for further development if they want, or that me and my partner Hitesh would be very willing to incorporate changes that we would be doing, and other people if they're willing to make to the game. Yep. Thank you very much.